Hey, what's up, what's up, everybody? It's your favorite Bama boy here, once again coming to you live for part 2 of my daily blog for Sunday. Going back to work tomorrow for 5 straight days. Hope everybody's doing well this Sunday. Just got done wrapping up watching the Ravens-Bengals game. The Ravens are into the playoffs. Hey, Michael. So what's everybody doing this Sunday? Just chilling back? I went to a restaurant today and got my lunch today. I haven't ate it yet, but I want to just... I might make y'all think I'm crazy, but I do have the having this craving for this new sushi place that just opened in Hoover down there on 150 by the Publix over there and everything. It's called Unuga Sushi. It's this place right here, and it just opened a couple weeks ago, so it's like near the Great Clips down there. I'm going to try this stuff out here in a second. I want to give y'all my opinion about it. Some of y'all don't probably have a craving for sushi like I do, but me and Will do. Yeah, the Ravens look like they're on the road to play the Titans, Tennessee Titans, in a rematch of the regular season and the last year's AFC divisional playoff that the Ravens won the number 1 seed and lost in the first round to the Titans last year. I hope that redemption is the third time charm because we lost to them twice in the past year. But anyways, I got my favorite sushi, guys. This is called Rainbow Sushi. It's a rainbow roll, actually. See that right there on your camera there? They give you these big chunks of it. It's a big piece of it. Nicely done too. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of it. It's supposedly it's the best sushi around Hoover, that they say. Of course, I got my dipping sauce here, my soy sauce right here. And they give you ginger and a side of wasabi. And I don't eat wasabi; it's too spicy. But yeah, it's down there on 150, Mike. It's down there by the Stadium Trace Parkway down there by the Publix. So it's right near the Publix. You'll find it. I did a video earlier this morning on my way down there. This is ginger, but I don't eat wasabi. I don't like wasabi. It's just kills your mouth. But this is my first time trying this place, so get this in here. My soy sauce, and let me tell you what I think. Now that is divine. That is good. That is good. Man. Wow. And they really made it look rainbowy. I also got a side of combination fried rice to go with it. Now this stuff looks like pork, and I love pork fried rice. But rice here, and they give you a good portion of it for your. And the sushi's like $12.50, I think it is, specialty roll. So yeah, this is pork fried rice. This is combination rice. Hey Brent, I'm showing y'all my food here. Yeah, Michael and Brent, this is good stuff. And I tell you what, it's the first time I've actually been to this place today. I'm going to take Will on one of my trips down there. Yeah, let your nephew know about that. I mean, it's my first time going there. But, roll Tide, everybody. Did y'all enjoy that Bama game this weekend? I know I did. Man. Now that's really good. Combination fried rice. Man, this stuff's good. Wowie. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. I didn't even know you were on here, Elliot. You into sushi, bro? I give it 2 thumbs up, guys. It's down there by the 150. Here it is again. If you can't read it upside down, it's called Unagi's Bento and Sushi. Yeah, it's good, man. I got a whole portion of pork fried rice there, the combination rice. It's good, guys. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, check it out, guys. Just give you my thoughts about this. Yeah, got the Diet Coke to wash it down. So, and plus you got these gingers. They're pretty good. Like I said, I don't eat wasabi. But, where did I stick my fork? Oh, hey, Melinda. I didn't know you. I just thought it was Elliot, but okay. I didn't know you were into sushi. God, that's good. Dip it in the soy sauce. And you got really good sushi. See, it's a rainbow. It's actually, you can see the back of it. It's got sprinkles on it. Oh. Oh, it's so good. Rainbow roll. Y'all, it's like a rainbow. Here, I'll show you. Excuse me. But, that's the sushi. You get 8 pieces of it. You get this separately, but I got my pork fried rice with it and everything. But definitely worth my money. Definitely worth the money. I mean, it's just outstanding. If you love Japanese food like I do. And I got a new Hoover shirt today at the Publix. $23 for the food. And 69 cents. But that's for combination fried rice and plus the sushi. But I got a Hoover shirt for $12.99. It was at the Publix down there. It's a brand new Hoover shirt. Right off exit 10 by the right before you go down the Bessemer. Yeah, it's an awesome place, guys. $23. That ain't bad. I mean, I definitely have got my money's worth. And fried rice is good. It's done perfection, man. Oh, thank you. It's brand new. And yeah, I was hoping that I would get another Hoover shirt for Christmas, but I found this today. But if anybody's got a craving for sushi, Unagi's is the place. You go to my first video up there I had earlier. Next Monday, guys, we're going to do another one of these fun games that we're going to watch. Buckeyes and Crimson Tide. We're going to do a live cast from there, from my dad. Hope Will feels better. He's been sick under the weather lately, but pray for him. But he would have been with me today if he weren't sick or anything. But other than that, yeah, this sushi is so divine. I mean, I love this. It's done with these sprinkles on here. They do such a great job on there. Think I'll still do it for another one. Look at that. Oh, excuse me. My hand is on here. But look at that. Ain't that something? Ain't that a pretty work of art? It's avocados. It's with eel sauce inside of it. Salmon on top of it. And that red sprinkles on there. That's what makes sushi so beautiful to have. I love that color. I mean, it is so colorful. Funny thing is, I don't know what this. Oh, I will. I was hoping to get him. Hey, Carol. What's up, girl? But I love my new job, guys. And I'm hoping this week I get groceries this week because I get paid Friday. I'm excited. I go to my favorite Walmart and get my food. Walmart also sells frozen sushi. Yeah, it's raw, but it's cooked. It's nothing wrong with it. It's still good. My stomach can handle it. I don't know if anybody else's stomach can handle it. What if I can? Let's see if I can. I don't know if I can bring you in here or not. Hey, friend, how you doing, Carol? How's life treating you? I'm working downtown Birmingham now. Oh, I love it. 8 to 4 every day. I mean, I get home by 4:30, 5 o'clock every day, but it takes me 30 minutes to get through traffic. Sometimes I get home like 5:30, but got to get up early, like 5:45 every day, and I love it. I mean, I love it. Yeah, it's better than anything. I mean, but like I told everybody, it's only going to hold me for a couple more months until I get back to school and start my degree in photography and online studies to study drawing maps and all that stuff on computers and stuff. Because I love to draw maps. I've had that since I've envisioned, and I've been since I was a boy. And I like to tell everybody I want to get to my next chapter of my life and fulfill myself and get back to school. Thank you, Carol. Thank you. Yeah. I just want to get to the next chapter of my life, and I really want to succeed out there. I mean, it's just something I really want to do because I've said this in other blogs that I do on here, is to go about what I want to do. Yeah, I can tell they did. You tell Grant about it? It's not bad. It's better than working nights all the time because nights would kill me at Walmart, man. I mean, I've gone through a lot the last couple of months of myself trying to figure out what I'm going to do. Yeah, I really want to get out there and succeed. I mean, I want to go back to college. I want to get my degree, and I want to move on to the next chapter. I'm 40 years old, and I'm just sick and tired of saying, what can I do? What do I want to do? But, I'm ready for this. I really am. But I sanitize, I clean the counters of the revenues, the tax areas, the doorknobs. I go up, I do first, second, and ground floor where all the activity is, because first floor is always busy because there's a lot of people that go through there. But yeah, it's a big responsibility for me because you got to be on your toes and you got to go around people all day. And you'll understand why, because I have to get up early to do this, but it's a demanding job. It really is, but the people at workshops help me do this, and Michael and all that stuff and everything. And I just know I have the faith in the Lord that I'll make it through this, and I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to back down. Yeah, it is bad. It really is, but I have to have that mask on all day. It has to be worn all day because you got to protect yourself from everything that goes on in this crazy situation like this. I mean, but we make it in this world. I'm going to achieve the goals that I have in my life that I want to do. It's hard to find good friends out there these days, but trust out there. But I'm sorry for your daughter. But other than that, guys, I mean, making good money, just a full-time job. It's 39 hours a week, but I only get 30 minutes lunch every day, and I have to really rush myself to eating something because 30 minutes goes really quick on a lunch break. I usually go about 12:45 every day till about 1:15. Yeah, I'm sorry about your mom. I really am, because hoping Will don't have it. That's what I'm worried about. But he hasn't said anything about this yet. But definitely give this place a 2 thumbs up, and definitely 10 stars in my book. If you're ever in the neck of the woods down there by the Galleria, or at least in the 150 area down here by the Hoover High School and the Met down there, they got a great sushi place. Look it up. Unagi. I think if I can remember that name. It's a cute little design. It looks like something from a video game. It looks like... I like that little character. I think I'll make a figurine of that. Yeah, 3 months. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. Well, we'll be praying for you. But anyways, guys. So, Ellie's still doing the landscape business? I'm gonna put my soy sauce on my rice. Among the other things you did, I know you were steaming when you just heard the whole case in Columbus. I was tempted to text your husband and say, she might be leaving in a couple of days. That's another discussion. But when you look at how hard you and the other to get people to vote and to hear this, I mean, yeah, I hear you. I hear you. That fried rice is just outstanding, y'all. Yeah. Yeah, well, it needs to be done. That's what I'm saying. But I think well, there's no more free days for me to be off, Michael and Melinda or Elliot. I mean, we had holidays off, but I don't know what this week's gonna be like. Be like any other week for me. The game's next Monday, so and I'm surprised it's so late at night. Do y'all watch my church streams on here on Sundays? I do them on every Sunday at 10 o'clock to 11. Then I make and edit it for the YouTube page I do on here. If you don't have my YouTube channel, add me on YouTube. I'll send a link. I'll send my channel thing on here for y'all. Oh, hang on a minute. Yeah. And you can follow me on there. I do my church stuff on there. Michael, go. Well, anyways, you can follow me on that channel. I have 2 of them. One's for gaming stuff, and the other one's for just my other stuff that I do. I wonder where Will is. I'm trying to get somebody in here. You guys do know what? I'm just thinking this weekend sure is going by fast. But I hope 2021 goes better for anybody this year. Man, this fried rice is just terrific. You know, I've made fried rice in the past, but this fried rice is just outstanding. Hey, but oh man, it's good. Dad's watching the news over there. I saw Howie on there a minute ago. My friend from Pennsylvania. He must have been checking on me. Michael, we need to hang out sometime. Once you get that car fixed. Hey, Howie. Alright, y'all. It's time for another one. 5 pieces left already. God, that sushi is so good. The texture of it is awesome. I love this fried rice, y'all. $4:52 Central Time here. Ravens just wrapped up their 11-5 season. Watched on the computer. Go Ravens. I don't know about you guys, but I'm enjoying this real well. These are big pieces.
Cancer doesn't care how old you are. It attacks when you least expect it. And it's devastatingly scary. 1 in 5 children diagnosed with cancer in the U.S. will not survive. The doctor came to me and he said, "Mom, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I've been taking care of your baby.
You just don't know how you experience sushi like I do.
Please call or go online right now and become a St. Jude Partner in Hope for only $19 a month. When you call or go online
That is so
or
good.
with your credit or debit card right now, we'll send you this
Hey, Will.
t-shirt you can wear to show your support for the children of St. Jude.
What's up, man?
Very afraid.
There you are, bestie. Let's see if I can get you in here. Are you on your phone? I'm good. Already gone through 4 pieces of sushi already. Man, I wish you were there with me today.
Hey, Jason.
Yeah.
How can I tell them it's Walmart to see what store it is?
It should be the 150 store.
Huh?
It should be the 150 store.
Doesn't get store number?
It should be on the receipt. Dad's hollering. Yeah, it's called Nuggies. You see, Will? I'm gonna show you this piece of sushi. Okay. I showed everybody else on here earlier. What? What's so funny? Look at this. Sprinkle. This is just a rainbow. This is just a rainbow one. Okay? Look how big that looks. Look at that big piece. I know. That's great sushi, man. It's not bad for your money either. Now that they have 2 places in Hoover to eat for sushi, that one that's down there by where Pizza Hut is on Warner Road, and then they got this one up here by the 150 by Publix. Definitely get your money's worth. Well, we will. We will. They're nice people. They're right there by Great Clips. And just to tell you how great this fried rice is, they give you a good portion of it. We will. Well, we will, buddy. I've just been bargaining with Melinda and Elliot on here, and Michael, and my friend Carol from work. They used to work with me at Walmart. That is so good. I got the combination fried rice. They got so many sushis on here. California roll attacked with salmon, tuna, red snapper, tobocchio, and eel sauce. $10.95. Oh yes, they gave me a lot of food. I mean, I got the combination fried rice. Oh yeah, they sure did. I mean, shoot, they sure did. I mean, that's a lot, man.
Millions of people have lost weight with Nutrisystem, and you can too. Lose up to 18 pounds in your first 2 months, guaranteed. Lose your first 18
Oh, it was great. It was great. I told Brad about you. Remember Pam Knight, she lost her husband. He'd been real sick lately, and pray for them. They had passed away. He passed away. And that was back on, I think, Tuesday it was. You're welcome. The service is up here. I mean, I posted this morning. I just gotta make a YouTube video of it. But, anyways, you're welcome. Yeah. And, I think one of Phyllis's sister got it too. We had to take down the Christmas tree and the decorations today. That was fun in itself. But I'm going to wrap this up on a good note for everybody. Y'all enjoy the blog. You know about me. If we can get anybody else on here, I don't know if we will or not will, but it's hard to say who anybody is right now. But I love you guys, and I hope y'all have a great week. Will, I'm going to join you on Messenger here in a second. Guys, follow me every week. We'll be making more videos, so y'all, this is coming from Facebook Live and everything, and it's on here on my channel as well. So let me show you the food here. Let me show you that real quick, Will. That's the combination rice. That's the sushi, and I've already ate half of it, and I already had a craving for it. But anyways, we'll be breaking down the games this week and the wild card for the NFL and the national championship between Bama and Ohio State with me and Sean on sports and stuff. So we got college ball games this week. Bama coming off a big road win for Tennessee yesterday. Roll Tide, everybody. Thanks for tuning in and follow me.